When buying a raspberry plant, you can choose between a summer-bearing or ever-bearing variety. Summer ones give one big crop early in the season, while ever-bearing ones fruit twice, once in summer and again in fall. Raspberries aren't often grown from seed, as store-bought fruits are usually hybrid varieties. Raspberries love full sun, at least 6 to 8 hours a day. Pick a spot with rich, well-drained soil. Plant raspberry canes in early spring. It's recommended to plant raspberries in a large pot or a garden bed, to keep them contained, as they tend to spread quite aggressively. Set the crown just below the soil surface, water well, and mulch with straw or leaves, to keep weeds down, and moisture in. Some common pests raspberry plants face include Japanese beetles, aphids, spider mites, raspberry cane borer, raspberry cane maggot, spotted wing Drosophila, and more, as well as diseases such as cane blight, powdery mildew, root rot, and raspberry leaf curl virus. Preventative tips include keeping canes well spaced and pruned for good airflow, avoiding overwatering, and removing fallen fruits and leaves. Most raspberries require winter dormancy each year. Some varieties can survive down to -25°C, or even colder. When it starts getting cold, add more mulch for extra protection. In spring, if you have a ever-bearing variety, remove all, or most of the canes. Or if you have a summer-bearing variety, remove all the canes that have fruited, as they won't fruit again next year. Make sure to leave the newer green canes, as they will fruit. When the berries pull off easily, they're ready. Pick every couple of days, and they'll keep coming. Eat them fresh, or freeze them. If maintained well, raspberry plants can live for 10 to 15 years, sometimes even longer.